So this video was going to be a video about me showing you how awesome this chimney sweep thing is here that I purchased last year. It goes on the end of a drill and it cleans the chimney from the clean out inside rather than having to go up on the roof. And this thing is fucking awesome. It's absolutely worth its weight in gold. I would totally recommend buying one. But right around here, I realized something was going wrong. I wasn't quite sure what it was, so I stopped doing what I was doing down there, and I came up here to inspect. Yeah, look at this pipe. So I'm not sure if you can see it because my phone won't focus here, so I got my little trusty snap-on ratchet in there, and yeah, pipes aren't supposed to be like this. You know, smoke will get out of any hole that it can, including this hole that's going up the entire length of the fucking pipe. Yeah. Not too happy about this, so I'm an expert at taking things apart, but not necessarily putting them back together again. You know, Humpty Dumpty and all the king's men couldn't put my chimney pipe back together again. So I took that first pipe off, and then we got the second one here that needs to come off as well, because this one is rotted, as the first one was. So I'm just gonna take this little guy off here, wiggle, give it a little shimmy shimmy, and hopefully it just pops. Oop, there we go. And yeah, we're in the same boat. Thank goodness the rest of the pipes are okay. The ones going into the chimney are a different quality of steel, or the ones going into the attic are a different quality of steel, sorry. And I got a buddy coming to help me with this shit. Thank goodness.